Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm back again today for another what I eat in a day to keep up my breast supply while also losing weight and hopefully not getting in too much of a calorie deficit like I did in the last video. I skipped lunch and I shouldn't have. So in this video I'm going to be sharing some more of my favorite things that I eat in a day. So of course I'm going to start off with breakfast, but before I did that I started drinking my water. So I am more than halfway done with this thing and I'm probably going to kill the rest of this with breakfast and fill it up again. This is not, I don't think it's quite as big as my other container. Does it even say how big this one is? It says it holds 32 ounces also. Awesome. So I'm gonna try to get 3 of these also in a day. My air fryer just went off for my lovely bacon. Who doesn't like starting the day with bacon? I have these carb balanced tortillas. Sorry about the little noises off camera. My son is excited about his breakfast. But I'm going to have these right here. This is a really good option if you are going keto because they are lower in carbs. I don't get them because of the keto aspect. I'm definitely not keto. I just get these because they are way lower in calories than regular tortillas and they're whole wheat and I like the taste of the whole wheat tortillas better. So I'm going to put 2 eggs onto my tortilla down here. That is a lot of egg, but it's my first meal of the day and I want it to hold me over because I'm cleaning the house today and that's exhausting. So I'm going to have 2 eggs on this. This is my bacon that I use right here and you can have 2 slices of this for 90 calories. I'm going to do half a serving of mild cheddar cheese. That is 1/8 of a cup. Then I'm gonna top it with some delicious sriracha. Sriracha makes everything better. And that right there is my breakfast for today. So this delicious tortilla is packed with 2 pieces of bacon and 2 pieces of eggs and 2 pieces of eggs. 2 eggs and cheese and sriracha, and it only comes to $3.68. So that is a really good start for the day. So wouldn't you know it, we're back in the kitchen again. My kids are playing in their bedrooms, they're making all kind of noise. The baby's fussing over there, so we gotta hurry up and get this dinner or lunch put together. I'm gonna show you what I'm making really quickly. So for this meal, I'm going to use the last one of my carb balanced tortillas. And we're going to put it on our scale because we need to measure some sauce on there and zero it out. We're going to go to grams. For my sauce, I'm going to use Sweet Baby Ray's instead of pizza sauce. Oh, I'm making a pizza, if I didn't say that. And this is 36 grams for a serving. So that's why I do it on the scale. It's just a lot easier to measure. I might not need 36 grams, so it's half of 36. 15 and 3, so 18. We'll do 18 grams. Yeah, I think that's gonna be enough. And then I'm gonna spread it around with my finger because it's mine. I'm gonna put my fingers all over it anyways. And then for my toppings, I'm going to put a chicken and apple sausage link. I get these from Costco and they are delicious. I'll put that all over the top. Then I'm going to put some purple onions. Probably don't need all these purple onions. It's going to be really oniony. And then some mushrooms. If you don't like any of these ingredients, then change it up the way that you want it. But this is just to show you another version if you're wanting a pizza type thing. And then I get this big thing of salad greens to do my salads and my smoothies with. So I'm just gonna pick out a couple of pieces of spinach and lay it across the top of it. And then we're going to do a serving of mozzarella and provolone cheese. I get 1/3 of a cup for a full serving of that. Just spread that around. And then we are gonna put this in the air fryer and get it all crispy because who wants to heat up the oven nowadays? That's why they invented air fryers. So I'm going to cook this up and then eat it really quickly and then feed that baby. Really quick before another kid needs me. As moms, This is why we don't eat very healthily, because we never have time to eat. So we gotta make ourselves a priority and make yourself something good like this. This right here is, I already done forgot, I had it like in my brain. I had to step away 5 times. It's 427 calories. That is for the sausage, the tortilla, the cheese, baby spinach, mushrooms, red onions, and the barbecue sauce. So good. Change this up to your liking, however you want. Put it in the air fryer where you don't have to put it in your oven and waste the time heating it up and all that. I love my, I'm looking at it right now past the camera. It's called a Ninja Foodie, and it does air fry, slow cooker, sous vide, saute, all the things. So if you are in the market for something like that, get the Ninja Foodie, because it does all the things that you're going to spend on, you know, 5 different appliances. So yeah, makes it all crispy and delicious. It got more crispy on this side than the others, but yeah, it's still gonna be really, really good. I'm going to eat this really quickly before someone has another meltdown, and we'll probably have something small before dinner. Probably a smoothie, because I haven't had one of those yet. It's gonna be the exact same smoothie pretty much that I made last time, but if I have one, I will show you what I did to it. All right, so I am really exhausted. I just went grocery shopping. Baby's starting to cry. Kids are messing up everything back there. So I'm just going to eat one of these RX bars. This is the chocolate sea salt one, and it is 210 calories. So that is gonna be my snack right now, because I just don't have the energy for anything else. And we will see y'all for dinner, and I don't even know what we're gonna make, but I know that we gotta go feed the baby for like the 6th time today. She's not wanting to be left alone, so that's why I have her up on the counter all propped up. But I was starting dinner and I cut into my sweet potato, and it has some soft, icky spots. And so I was going to do green beans, sweet potato, and chicken, like all on a sheet pan, because they cook about the same amount of time. And then I pulled out my green beans, and can you see that? They're getting fuzzy. So I had to take this from my kid because he's hitting everybody with it. So since I cannot make a sheet pan meal tonight with the veggies I wanted, all the other veggies I have, they're going to cook faster than my chicken will. So I think I'm gonna do chicken on the grill, and just do a sheet pan of whatever other veggies I have in my refrigerator that are not nasty. So let's see what we've got, I guess. All right, so it looks like it's gonna be a broccoli and carrot kind of night, because that's pretty much all we've got. We cut our finger cutting carrots because carrots roll. How dare they? And then I'm going to just cut up this chicken a little bit smaller where it'll cook a little bit faster, and put it on the grill. And I think I'm going to use the exact same seasoning I used in my last video, which is this Buttery Steakhouse by Kinder's, yeah, because it's really good. And I'm kind of obsessed with it right now. So yeah, I'm gonna get that done, and then I'll show y'all it all plated up. I'm probably gonna put like some rice with it or something, because I don't have very much of those veggies, and it's gonna look a little sparse. So, and I have calories left over, and I'm really wanting like the flavored Uncle Ben's rice, and my kids will actually eat that. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So it is getting late, and this little girl wants to go to bed, but I wanted to show y'all what I finished up eating today. I actually had 2 of these before dinner. They are the Indulgent Peanut Butter Cups by Atkins. And then before I go to bed, I'm gonna have a bowl of brown rice with a little bit of butter and sugar, because it's a comfort food. And we both need to be comforted right now, don't we? Yes, we do. So with all that added in, you can see that I ate 1,716 calories, and I actually have 284 left. So I didn't go over my calories today. I was a little bit under, and I don't like to be a ton under, but 200 and something. That's okay with me. I'm not going to eat anything else after I eat that bowl of rice. I'm gonna be done for the night, and I already had 2 Reese cups earlier in the day, so I don't need any more of that stuff. But I just wanted to finish up this video and show y'all what I ate for my little snack at night. I didn't eat a ton of things that like boost your milk supply and stuff like that today, but I still think I ate pretty good. That pizza was superb. If you try anything from this video whatsoever, try the pizza I made earlier with the barbecue sauce on the tortilla and the sausage, because oh my god, that was amazing. I'll probably have it again tomorrow. But me and little Haley girl will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.